How to join a guild in solo leveling Arise. First of all, open the game on your device and wait for the game to load completely. Before you can join a guild, make sure your character has reached level 20 since the guild feature unlocks automatically at level 20. Once you have reached level 20, go to the main lobby screen and look for the Guild NPC. Move toward her and press the R key or tap the interact button if you are playing on mobile. This will open the guild interaction menu. From here, select Join Guild. You will now see a list of available guilds that can join you. Browse through them. You will find details such as guild name, activity level, and number of members. Choose the guild you want to join and then tap the join button followed by confirm to finalize your request. Once you have successfully joined, you will receive a one-time joining reward as a welcome bonus. Inside the guild, you can explore several features such as the guild exchange shop, guild ranking, mini-games, and guild missions. Participating in these activities helps you earn extra reward and strengthen your team faster. Joining a guild also lets you team up with other players, share resources, and grow together in your game. Now you know how to join a guild in solo leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.